I want to welcome you back to Beyond AI Solutions, where we're all about talent and all about keeping it real. Y'all know who it is. It's me, Ron, your neighborhood AI guru. Look, today, we've got a surprise for you. Yeah, a challenge where you can win $100. That's right, $100 just for guessing the identity of this amazing flipping girl featured in this video. Now, yes, she looked like a robot, but y'all should know y'all greatest flippers out there, right? Look around, look at the scenery. Get it together, $100. Anyway, we've used the cutting edge AI tool called Wonder Studios to give her a robotic makeover. AI is taking over. I'm just showing y'all a little bit of stuff that it does. But anyway, your mission, should you choose to accept it, to identify what she is. If you're the first one to guess correctly in the comments below, within the next 3 days, you'll win $100. The prize will be sent to you via PayPal. All right, let's go.